Judicators of the Apex Court, why should not we hold your collar and drag you to the roads from your court by applying Section 43 of the Criminal Procedure Code and Section 40 Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita (BNSS). Consider this as the digital show cause notice. We consider it as a violation or contempt of the king or otherwise Raja Dhikarana and hold your collars and drag you down to the roads from wherever you stay. If you dispose this case immediately and give the verdict, we will forgive and leave you. Otherwise, wherever you and your heirs are will be found, we will get it paid by you, your heirs, your grandchildren, and your great-grandchildren. Everything, every penny, right from the infant feed that you fed to your great-grandchildren, shall be collected along with the interest. Alongside, the members of the Parliament should also consider this as the digital show cause notice. Why have not you tried to remove the Apex Court adjudicators by using Article 124(4)? For that reason, why should not we apply 43 of the Criminal Procedure Code and 40 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita and hold your collars and drag you down to the roads? All the members of the Parliament, are you listening?
What are these? All these are complaints? Yes, sir. That means about 200 members have taken membership in Ramarajyam. All these people are the victims of Sahara? Yes, sir. What is your name, Mahatma? My name is P.V.R.S. Prasad, and I am a native of Amalapuram. Have you also taken Ramarajyam's membership? Yes, sir. What is the reason for taking Ramarajya's membership? The reason is that I have been working for Sahara India Pariwar for the last 30 years. That organization has faced obstacles, and as a result, we, the agents, are unable to repay the saved money to the respective account holders. Because of this, we seek your help in getting justice through the government and the courts. We believe that through you, both the agents and our customers will get justice. Due to these issues, many of us have been suffering from hypertension, diabetes, psychological disorders, and many other severe diseases. We feel as if we are drowning in the ocean, and you appear to be a lifeline in that deep floating. If we do not get justice through you, we have no option other than killing ourselves. My name is Bandaru Virana. I am a native of Amalapuram, sir. I have joined as a promoter in Sahara India Pariwar in the year 2004. Initially, I used to collect amounts like rupees, 5, 10, and 20 from the customers. As per the tenure of 3 or 4 years, those payments used to be matured and repaid to the customers. At first, I had 50 customers. Later, they have increased to 100 and then to 200. Since I have served them correctly, they used to like my services and had faith on me. The customer who used, say, 5, 10, and 20 at the beginning were in a position to save 200, 300, and 400 rupees by the year 2012. Likewise, I had collected and invested an approximate amount of rupees, about 4/5 crores to the company. In the year 2012, there was a sudden issue of CB, Sahara issue, sir. Because of that issue, the collected amount and company's assets had been attached to the courts. Because of that, we were not able to do payments to our customers. The government had seized everything that belonged to Sahara. We are in deep distress, neither know with whom to share our pain. They had made the company that had given employment to lakhs of agents useless. I am astonished by the recent words of FM smitten Nirmala Sitharaman. She had said that they possessed the amount of rupees 20,000 crores that belonged to Sahara, but we could do payments of rupees 2 or 3 crores as PET. The received application's rest did not apply. What is this, sir? This is too much. We have every record. All the customers who had applied have those details with them. The applicants should be paid, right? There should be an alternative if the application is invalid. They should say if the uploaded signature is wrong, they should have given the format of uploading the sign. Besides that, they have given a public website. If they have given company's website, we could have helped the customers. In the public website, the issues that are faced by the public or abnormal, sir.
My name is Gubala Narayana Rao, a native of 𝐒𝐚𝐽𝐻 village, which is in the Jangareddy Mandal.
Namaste Mahatma, tell me sir.
Swami, I have joined in Sahara India on 20th May of the year 1996 By the last 20th May, I have completed my 28 years of service in the company. This is my 29th year and CFMR4 is my cadre in it. Approximately, there are about 5,000 Sahara India branch offices. Those transactions that had transacted in those 5,000 branch offices are wished to be paid through a single CRCS portal. Those 5,000 branch offices have transacted an approximate amount of rupees 86,000 crore. How will they do? The total number of Sahara India Pariwar agents in the country are 15 lakhs. We too are human beings. We too wish to lead usual lives like the other people. If we are at home, some of our customers reach our homes and quarrel with us. If we go out by the means of motorbike, some customers offend us in the middle of our way, some reach our offices and fight there. At last, we do not have freedom to visit temples and watch movies along with the families. They say that, hey, you are enjoying movies and picnics too much. When will you return our money? This is not my lone problem. All the 15 lakhs of agents throughout the country are facing such issues. In a nutshell, it is the agony of the overall customers of Sahara, which is about 13 crores.
My name is Tumidinaga Surya Venkata Satyanarayana, sir. I belong to Tadapalagudem branch. I joined in the company to feed our family in the year 1994 by liking its terms and conditions. Since then, I have fulfilled the given targets by collecting the money from the customers with my sincere services and due payments to the company. Along with that, the reputation of the company also helped me to have smooth running for a period of about 10 years. There is a disturbance occurred between the government and our company. It is irrelevant to me. It is completely out of my business. I have been watched your clippings and videos. I believe that you have the strength and courage to question the judiciary, and you know that way very well. Hence, I request you all to do justice to all the Sahara victims of entire India by questioning the government and apex court, by using that way through this Ramarajyam Dharma Sabha.
Namaste Mahatma. Definitely you will get justice. To those Supreme Court adjudicators and to the Parliament members, we all are masters, including you. As the masters to all the public servants, we have the complete authority and right to hold their collars and pull them down. We shall show our strength and courage as their masters. Definitely Dharma will get justice. You will get the payments to all your customers, along with the interest. What is supposed to be repaid shall be repaid along with the interest, as well as what is supposed to be imposed shall be imposed along with the interest. Namaste Mahatma.
My name is Sri Prakash. I am a native of Jangareddy. I deposited 3 lakh rupees in Sahara India in the year 2014 and my scheme got completed in the year 2019. Since then, I have not been repaid the matured amount. Through the local agent, I came to know that due to some reasons, amounts are not being paid back. I have visited many offices, but my amount has not been paid back. In the year 2022, I was told that the apex court had ordered to apply through the portal and the amounts would be repaid through the 𝐂𝐵I. After applying through the portal, I have received a message through the 𝐂𝐵 stating that the amount would be squared within a period of 45 days. But I did not get my amount back in those 45 days. To know the reasons, I inquired the local agents. They told me that some applicants had got the message invalid application by the 𝐂𝐵. If the application is defective, then the proper format of submission should have been given. We are told that there is inappropriateness among the details that are furnished in the application. Aadhaar and company bond, I could not find any relevance between inappropriate name and Sahara. My name is mentioned in my bank account as Sri Prakash Madula and in my Aadhaar card as Madula Sri Prakash. It seems like same to all, but I was told that the name is mismatched and ordered to submit a legal authentication. I obeyed it and submitted the concerned document. Yet I was stated that I was not eligible for the payment and stating that I did not possess the membership. While opening the account, I submitted my signature, photograph and Aadhaar card. How could I not be eligible with the name of membership? Alongside, it was ordered to repay an amount of rupees from 10,000 to all the depositors who had deposited were up to rupees 5 lakhs. Based on the tireless efforts in doing successful submission of the applications after many rejected submissions, some of us got the amount of rupees 10,000. That is fine, but what about the remaining amount? When shall we get the next payment?
Did you get even that 10,000?
Yes, sir. I got that amount. 10,000. Actually, that portal is opened a year and a half ago, sir, but I have got the money 8 months ago. Till now, I have neither a message nor a piece of information about the next payment. I do not know to whom I need to consult regarding that. I climbed the stairs of many branch offices and asked many agents. Nobody is responding and saying that the details regarding the further issue of orders or about the release of funds has to be addressed by the government. I got exhausted by visiting various branch offices and meeting the agents. All the Sahara agents and customers are tiny and helpless people. It seems as the government and courts are trying to encash our helplessness and loot our money. That is why I have come to approach you in sort of justice by believing your knowledge and dynamism in questioning the judiciary and the legislature.
My name is Purnachandra.
Yes, tell me, Mahatma.
I have come from a 𝐶𝐫𝐻 branch. I joined in Sahara India in 1995. Since then, I have been working for the company. As many core issues have already been discussed, I am not going to repeat them. The government possesses an amount of rupees 25,000 crore Sahara India money. It has the authority of releasing those funds to the depositors. The Apex Court ordered to open a portal for dispersing an amount of rupees 5,000 crores. That portal does not possess complete data due to data insufficiency and technical glitches. Customers are facing rejections, as they do not know the ways to show their anger on courts and they are inapproachable. We, the agents, are near to them and accessible to them. They are approaching the managers, agents, other Sahara staff and torturing us. I urge the court to simplify the portal and accessible to the customers and release the complete deposits instead of releasing partly deposits. If the court continues to release in short amounts, how many years does it take to repay the complete amount? Since it has been a very long time, their anger and agony are reasonable, but we are in helpless situation. I believe that the Sahara issue will be sorted out with the support of Ramarajyam and great people like you. This is my humble request through this Ramarajyam Dharma Sabha.
My name is Mastan Ali, sir. I am a native of Mogulturu. I belong to Narasapuram branch. I've been working in Sahara India for 14 years. Till the Apex Court made it an issue, company ran very well and used to do payments promptly. People used to believe Sahara India and its founder Subrata Roy very well. Real financial crooks like Vijaya Mallya ran away from the country to escape the punishment. He was not that kind of person. He used to believe that though he was imprisoned, ultimately justice will be victorious. He was such a noble person. He had immense love and respect on this holy land and the country. He knew that he had not done anything wrong. He never tried to escape punishment. In sort of justice, he spent years and years in the prison. Here, we must not forget few things. Once upon a time, Sahara India possesses the second largest number of employees in the country. Subrata Roy had built such empire. The over-anxious government had destroyed the entire Sahara system. Government released a portal to do the repayments of rupees 5,000 crores through a single portal. There are 5,000 Sahara India branch offices all over the country. We are 15 lakh agents and the total number of customers are 13 crores. While receiving deposits, all the agents and offices were part of it. How could the government replace such system with a single portal? How does it possible, sir? It is impossible. To sort out the Sahara issue, the Apex Court has appointed a special jury. The jury consists a chief and their assistants. Chief of the jury is paid 15 lakh rupees and the remaining 3 assistants are paid 5 lakh every month from Sahara Fund. In jury gets more than very much every month. How could they sort out the issue? That is why it has been going for years and years. The members of the jury get replaced just to take the Sahara Fund in the name of salaries.
15 lakhs salary? Not even the Chief Justice gets that much salary. In that scenario, how would they sort out the issue?
The judiciary must work in a way that neither the customers nor the Sahara employees nor the organization lose glory and faith, but it is not working in that manner. I believe that through you, we all get justice.
Definitely you will get justice.
Jai Sri Ram.
Jai Sri Ram.
My name is Satya Nagabhushana Rao. I'm a native of Pedana. I entered in Sahara India when I was 18 years old. By now, I have completed 29 years of service. I started my career as an agent, and now I reached to the position of a branch manager. From the last 10 years, Sahara India became controversial, and the issue is under the Apex Court. The company has obeyed all the Apex Court's orders. As per the order, company submitted the total number of deposits that are collected from the customers. It is an amount of rupees 24,500 crores. It has been 8 years since company deposited the amount in the Apex Court. Since then, not a single rupee is paid back by the court. The rage and pressure from the customers are paramount. Due to that pressure, we face many health issues. We are not in a position to appear in the public.
Within the range of your branch, what is the total number of depositors and what is the total deposited amount?
Approximately the total number of customers is 2,500 and the total collected amount is rupees 20 crores, including interest. We are not in a position to face the customers directly nor through phone calls. Because of that, even our family members are not comfortably living their lives. We thought the issue is under the apex, it would be sorted out and expected timely justice. But even the apex court is doing time pass. We do not have faith on it. We do not know with whom to say as a final attempt by expecting justice. With a small hope, we approach the Ramarajyam Dharma Sabha.
Namaste, Amma.
Namaste.
What is your name?
My name is Durga. I am a policy holder in Sahara India. We deposited money for our daughter's marriage. 4 years age she got married. We told the groom's family that the amount would be released soon by expecting that if not in this year, maybe in the next year. Now they are pressurizing us. I approached you by believing that through you we will get justice.
Definitely you will get justice. Tell them that we will pay along with the interest. It is not at all a problem. What is your Gothram, Amma?
Sri Rama Gotram.
Sri Rama Gothram. What is the groom's family Gothram?
Nagula Gotram.
Tell those Nagala Gotra people that the quarrel unruly eagle flag, conch shell, which is the fifth nature, prakruti, note, are still alive. The establishment of righteousness is happening. You will get justice. Fill them courage. Tell them that you will get along with the interest. Is there anything to say, Amma?
Please help us to get justice.
Definitely, Amma.
Jai Sri Ram.
Jai Sri Ram.
Government issues Aadhaar and PAN. Government ordered to link Aadhaar, PAN, and mobile number while opening an account in the bank. The same government is saying that it will disperse the Sahara deposits to the depositors. Why it is imposing restrictions when it comes to Sahara payments? It is the government which disperses the Sahara money to the customers. Why it is confused? If a customer's account credited, only that respective customer's account gets credited, not to anybody's account. Customer is providing all the required proofs like Aadhaar, PAN, and bank account details. Yet why the government is delaying our payments? Besides this, the apex court had ordered to disperse the 5,000 crores to the account holders by the end of December 2023. Does it not come under contempt of court? We do not have faith either on the politician or on the courts. Our complete faith is on Bhagavan Sri Ram. By believing him, we approached you in sought of justice.
నీ మేను నామ వైభవంబులను నీ పరాక్రమ ధైర్యముల శాంత మానసము నీవు యనువచన సత్యమును రఘువర నీ ఎడ సద్భక్తియు జనించకను దుర్మతములను కళ్ళజేసినట్టి నీ మది నెరింగి సంతతంబునను గుణభజనానంద కీర్తనము చేయువారెందరో మహానుభావులు. మీరన్న జై శ్రీరామ్ అన్న రాముడట. ఓ రామ, నువ్వు లేవు, నువ్వు రావు, నువ్వు ఉన్నావు అన్నది అబద్ధం అని ఏ మతాలైతే చెబుతున్నాయో వాటన్నిటినీ కళ్ళ చేసి, దుర్మతములను కళ్ళ చేసి, పరాక్రమ ధైర్యముల శాంత మానసముతో వచ్చి ధర్మస్థాపన చేసేటువంటి నీ గుణభజనానంద కీర్తనము చేయువారు మహానుభావులు. మీ రాముడు కాపాడుతాడు. ఇదే మాట మీరు కూడా చెప్పచ్చు స్వామి. ధర్మం గెలుస్తుంది, న్యాయం నిలుస్తుంది.
Definitely you will get justice.
Jai Sri Ram.
Jai Sri Ram.
We have been working for years. Some customers have been passed away. We could not give them payments. It is very sad. Managing our income is another issue and another pain. We could not give even the small amount when some customers had got hospitalized. Once upon a time, we used to disperse the matured amounts to the customers' houses. Our company is very good company. Sahara India is not a small organization. It is 47 years old organization.
Mahatma, with how many customers did you acquire deposits?
There are about 5,000 customers under the branch I manage.
Some of the depositors under your branch passed away. You feel sad for not making the repayments to them.
The reason being approaching you is, firstly, all our customers should be paid back. Payments are being done by the jury. You see the delay. Next, we have been working for Sahara India. Personally, I have been working for the company for 30 years. Now my age is 55 years. Now I cannot do something new. There is no chance of taking a new task. We are at the verge of retirement. We do not know what to do. We are in a very uncertain situation. Our children are grown up. We cannot show them proper way. Similarly, we cannot tell them about the disbursement of the payments.
Namaste, Mahatma. What is your name?
My name is Poshetty Leela Subba Rao. I am from Achanta. I have been serving in Sahara, India since the last 15 years. From 2007 to 2011, I worked well, and I could repay the matured amounts to the customers. Right from the beginning of this issue in the year 2011, our lives are problematic. We were never been questioned. I tried to repay to some customers by pledging gold and assets. We were informed about the CFMR and told that the deposits would be reimbursed from 2023 March. After hearing that information, we got some relief. But till now, no payment has been made.
How much did you collect from the customers? And what is the total number of customers?
I have collected about 2 crores from 200 customers.
You made partly payments by selling your movable and immovable assets.
Customers deposited their saving in Sahara, India, to meet their future needs like medication and healthcare needs, for children education, for children marriage. Such people approached me and told me that we deposited our savings only by knowing you. We have no information about the company. We do not know what you will do. We need our money. In such situation, I was forced to pay them by selling my property. Likewise, I could help some people, yet some of our customers have been passed away during the COVID-19. After many years, even now, if we are not paid, where is the justice?
I am Trimurtulu. I am a native of Ravulapalem.
Tell me, Mahatma.
I have come to Ramarajyam Darbar Sabha. I feel like I am at the abode of Bhagavan Sri Rama and presenting my request at his lotus feet. I have been working for Sahara India for about 30 years. During these tensions, I have met an accident, and since then my left arm became numbed. I was pressurized by the customers. I paid them rupees 12 lakhs. I had taken gold from home and pledged even in this difficult scenario. I could do small payments till 2016. Then after all the payments got stopped. I have complete faith on you. I believe that we will get the justice.
Definitively, you will get justice. What is your name, Mahatma?
My name is Viswanath. I am from Amalapuram.
Tell me, Mahatma.
I have been working in Sahara, India for the last 30 years. I kept my heart, mind, and everything in the company itself.
From how many customers you have collected, how much is the total collected amount, Mahatma?
I have collected an amount of 5 crores from 2,000 customers.
You too have 2,000 customers.
It is the complete catastrophe of the system. With regard to this issue, the Indian government failed completely from 2012. On 31st August 2013, the Apex Court gave the verdict. On the same day, all the Sahara India deposits, which is an amount of rupees 24,500 crores, were deposited to the government by the company. Yet, it is hesitating to repay the money to the depositors. Isn't it disgraceful? In India, there is no justice for 13 crore Sahara India customers. How far it is justifiable by holding the 13 crore customers' deposited money? Why the money is dispersed to the respective customers? Is there judiciary in the country? Really, is it working?
My name is Umesh Babu from Amalapuram. I have been working in Sahara, India for the last 30 years. At the beginning, I used to collect 2 or 3 rupees by going by the bicycle. By today, I collected 10 crore rupees.
What would be the total number of customers, Swami?
From about 3,000 customers, I could get the deposits worth 10 crores. Today, there is everything. Property which worth about 3 lakh crores, as per the government value. There is an amount of rupees 10,000 crore. There are assets worth 10 lakh crore in the public for the Sahara India. The Apex Court is not determined to do justice. Within a year, all the deposits can be dispersed to all the respective customers. Earlier, we did many protests. We believe that here with you, we will get justice.
Namaskaram, Mahatma. What is your name?
Jai Shri Ram. My name is Raghuram. I am from Bantumilu, Krishna district. I joined in Sahara India in 1996. I collected deposits from about 1,500 customers. The total deposits would be about 4 crore rupees. I too have made my deposits worth 20 lakh rupees. I'm submitting applications for the payment in the portal, but they are not getting succeeded. Customers are coming to home and attacking. My left hand has been paralyzed with these tensions. I'm always carrying tablets for hypertension and diabetes in my pocket. I do not know what to do.
Be patient. No need to worry and get paralyzed. Your money will get with interests.
నిత్యాత్ముడైయుండి నిత్యుడై వెలుగొందు సత్యాత్ముడైయుండి సత్యమై తానుండు ప్రత్యక్షమయ్యుండి బ్రహ్మమయ్యుండు సంస్తుత్యుడి తిరువెంకటాద్రి విభుడు సంస్తుత్యుడి తిరువెంకటాద్రి విభుడు.
From the last 4 months, I have lost my confidence and thinking to commit suicide as I have left no option. When I feel despair, I am reciting the Bhagavad Gita verses and taking rest.
Your money will be brought by the Lord Sri Venkateswara along with the interest. You may be paid 1 or 2 days delayed, but surely all your amounts will be paid back.
ఎగువన శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వరుడేలిక. ఈ ప్రభువులు కదా, ఆ ప్రభువు తెచ్చిస్తాడు మీకు డబ్బులు. విన్నారా మహాత్మా? ధైర్యంగా ఉండండి. చూడండి స్వామి, నాదే మాట.
It is my promise. Till now, we all listened. All the victims have shared their sorrow. After learning that the Ramarajyam has been formed for the establishment of righteousness in this Kali, in sort of justice, they approached us saying that they have been betrayed by the judiciary. The 13 crore Sahara India victims have been in helpless condition as the judiciary and the politicians leave their dumb ears. They do not know whom to share with. First of all, who are the creators of this issue? What is the solution?
There are no traces of justice given to the poor and downtrodden people in this country by the judiciary. Once upon a time in the past, Akbaruddin Owaisi said that if the police are removed for 15 minutes, we will finish 100 crore Hindus in the country. Even after getting broadcasted in the electronic media and published in the newspapers the next day, no noticeable legal action had been taken. Such biased, safeguarding institutions and judicial systems are existing in the country. How could we expect justice for poor common men in this country?
Has that case been stricken off now?
Yes, by giving small warning that case has been stricken off. Isn't it the responsibility of the judiciary to punish someone who insulted the Hindu community by holding the constitutional authority as the member of Legislative Assembly? What message the judiciary is giving by backing the culprits and criminals? Here, in this country, judiciary does justice to the people who have face value and who can bribe. That is what these adjudicators actually do. They simply protect illicit. People have no faith on these courts and police. That is why they approach Ramarajyam in seeking justice and telling their sorrow, worry, and agony. As the masters of these servants, we tend to take action against the corrupted judiciary and police. Alongside, the parliament members who are supposed to pass a motion and punish the adjudicators who performed the duties with incapacity and led to misery in the lives of 13 crore Sahara India victims are also must be disqualified as they had not taken any active action in support of 13 crore Sahara India victims. Parliament members too are not doing what they are supposed to do.
Yes, you are absolutely right. The adjudicators who are prolonging the verdict for years and years, according to Article 124 Subclause 4 of Indian Constitution, they are supposed to monitor and identify the issues of public and remove and punish the adjudicators when they perform with incapacity. That is what the Constitution empowers the Parliament members. As these Parliament members too failed to identify the issue pertaining to 13 crore Indians and kept their eyes closed, they too share the part in the depravity.
In solving this issue and establishing the righteousness, we are ready to face anything.
Ready to face anything?
Yes, ready to face anything.
Ready to face anything?
Yes, ready to face anything.
యదా యదా హి ధర్మస్య గ్లానిర్భవతి భారతాట్. శౌర్యం తేజో ధృతిర్దాక్ష్యం యుద్ధే చాపే పలాయనం దానమీశ్వర భావచ్చ క్షాత్రం కర్మ స్వభావజం. అందరూ క్షాత్రం కలిగిన వారే.
The adjudicators, have you all listened? You all busy, you do not have leisure to listen. Those who have a chance and interest carry these words to them. You behave recklessly and irresponsibly by holding the safeguards of the Section 197 of the Criminal Procedure Code, Section 77 of the Indian Penal Code, Article 1244 Judges Protection Act. The Nara Muruga knows the ways to remove your fangs. You might think that you are overpowered with your laws and sections. Samana Viri Sanathuni knows how to remove your eyes with your laws and sections. Rectify your mistake and dispose this case immediately with good faith as per Section 52 of IPC, not with the reckless empowers of the Section 77 of IPC. Nobody would have known till now. the people who use the fifth natural notes as the Panchajanya, and the people who change the fifth natural notes into the Vikruti Swasas and use it as the Pashupatastra, celestial missile, are still living. They are Gauras and Agoras. They are existing now. Your strengths and your safeguards cannot protect you. Why didn't you resolve the Sahara India case for these many years? It has been 12 years since the initiation of the complaint called Sahara India, the adjudicators, whomsoever have been associated with the Sahara India case, whether retired or serving, whomsoever have been partaken in this case right from the beginning to till the date must give explanation for prolonging this case for these many years. Why did you spoil the lives of 13 crore victims by holding lakhs of rupees under your hands? Why did you not respond by holding lakhs of depositors' money while the 13 crore victims were being tortured and suffered due to financial blockage? How could you keep the issue as it is and take lakhs of rupees as salaries from the Sahara India deposits for these many years? How could you behave relentlessly even after being reason for the financial instability in the lives of 13 crore depositors' families? Why should not we hold your collar and drag you to the roads from your court by applying Section 43 of the Criminal Procedure Code and Section 40 𝐵 Sanhita BNSS? Consider this as the digital show cause notice and answer us. If you still remain quiet and do not respond to this notice, we consider it as a violation or contempt of the king or otherwise Raja Dikarana and hold your collars and drag you down to the roads from wherever you stay. You might think we are less in number. There are Gauras and Agoras who disregard their bodies, who never mind their physical presence, who never consider their lives for themselves and ready to do any sacrifices for the sake of others and establishment of righteousness. Many such yogis do exist. We know ways to wake them. Swami Vivekananda asked 100 people who possess such attributes. There are crores of people still existing. We know the ways to ignite them to fulfill the purpose. Rectify your mistake. Apologize the 13 crore depositors. Provide the explanation and dispose this case immediately and give the verdict by keeping your senses within yourself with good faith as per Section 52 of the IPC, not with the reckless empowers of the Section 77 of the IPC. If you resolve this issue, if you dispose this case immediately and give the verdict, we will forgive and leave you. Otherwise, wherever you and your heirs are will be found. We will get it paid by you, your heirs, your grandchildren, and your great-grandchildren. Everything, every penny, right from the infant feed that you fed to your great-grandchildren, shall be collected along with the interest. Alongside, the members of the Parliament should also consider this as the digital show cause notice. Why haven't you responded to the sorrows, miseries, and agony in the lives of 13 crore depositors and their families throughout the country? Why have not you questioned the adjudicators of the Apex Court for the reasons for holding lakhs of crores of depositors' money for about 12 years? Why have not you questioned the incapacity of the adjudicators who have been prolonging an issue that is pertaining to the lives of 13 crore families of the country? Why have not you tried to remove the adjudicators who discharge their duties with incapacity by passing a motion in the Parliament as per the Article 124(4)? You ought to answer this. You all have been elected by the public as their servant. You have come to the public, promised them that you will serve them, and begged to get votes and became members of the Parliament. Why have not you questioned the incapacity of the adjudicators who have been prolonging this issue by holding the depositors' money for such long time? Why have not you tried to remove the Apex Court adjudicators by using Article 124(4)? For that reason, why should not we apply 43 of the Criminal Procedure Code and 40 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita and hold your collars and drag you down to the roads? All the members of the Parliament, are you listening?
Om. Om.